Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy with popular features. Features also include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitor, keyless entry, keyless ignition, remote start. With these ratings, come test drive the 2024 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 900 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, rear step bumper, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, chrome wheels, heated mirrors, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.